Hola familia, how's it going? This past weekend I decided to build an app and publish it on the organization's Google Play developer account. Before publishing the application though, I chose to conduct some tests to see how easy it is to navigate the application. The process of conducting research to improve the ease of use and create the best user experience possible is called UX designing, and it can be implemented in different products made today. The following interview is a small part of the process of what a strongly affiliated UX designer within Comida for Familias has to go through.
Oh, it's cute. Is that the profile?
Yeah, I'm gonna change the icon.
Oh, never mind. Not cute. Okay, as I enter, there's a girl. Oh, it's screen recording anyways. Okay, she's on her journal. What do you want to talk about today? Start expressing yourself. Okay, I gotta sign into my email. Okay.
Do you have an account?
Or create an account, you right. Create an account. Username. XX Nana-san. Email. Sorry, I'm not used to Samsung phones. Thanks. Okay, I'm stuck. I'm trying to do next, but it doesn't let me put the keyboard down or go next.
Oh, okay, that seems to be like an issue.
Yes, and I don't think I could proceed.
Okay, yes you can. So what you do is push the back button.
Go back. Oh! What the heck? Password? Oh, you guys are gonna see my password. Okay, we're creating account. Page title. Why can't I click on the page title?
It's already clicked, so you saw when the keywords came up. So type on the keyboard.
Oh, that's weird. Why is this like that?
What?
I think it's confusing because it would just go to next. Okay.
So it looks like I should probably add a scroll feature to it.
Wow. Coffee. Coffee is addicting. That's what's on my mind. Today what? Why doesn't it have a date? Why doesn't it let me take a picture? And it opens automatically to the photo album. If I want to take a picture and add it so people can see my coffee in the moment.
Good question.
Okay, I'm saving.
Oh, you're supposed to add a picture.
Oh. What if I like her? I don't feel like going through your pictures. Okay. Save. I didn't put that H there. Why is there an H? How do I edit it? Can I edit it?
No.
Does it stay there forever?
Yeah, once it's posted, it's done.
I don't like this very much. What is this supposed to be about?
Well, what do you think it's about, first of all?
Like a Why is it posted 3 times? I want to only do it once.
How many times did you click save?
Oh, that sucks. And then you can't delete it. So if I post something 3 times accidentally, it stays there 3 times.
Oh, I gotta take off the share button. It's not shareable yet. Oops.
Sign out. What about a profile account?
What do you mean profile account?
Like XX Nanasan. Like I have my own little thing where I could put my profile picture and have an icon, write a biography for me, and have like a page dedicated with all my comments.
Chill. It's not social media. It's just supposed to be a personal journal.
Oh yeah, personal journals have that. Wattpad has that.
What?
Every app has that. Wattpad is an app where you can write stories exactly like this. You put title, what you want to express, you post it, people view it, people comment on it, but you got your profile account. So if someone clicks on your profile, they're like, wow, she follows these other writers, and she has wrote these books and these stories and these blah 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 creepypastas. You know? This is like Twitter.
Hope you guys learned something from that interview. If you want to learn more, you can join us for webinar sessions and workshops found on Eventbrite. Or you can contact us at info@comidaforfamilias.com to be a UX UI trainee with the organization. Thanks for watching and hope you have a nice day.